we print only with RISO. We also have a studio in Amsterdam where people can do DIY printing. And in our studio people come to have residency or we print for them.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing we do.
We were also like a sort of alternative printer because RISOGRAPH was cheaper than offset printing, so we had a lot of customers.
We try to use the GOCCOPRO as an extra on top of what we do with the box. So we try to print on the cover or we try to make cards.
We have the machine as a special effects machine.
Yeah.
For everything which you cannot use the RISOGRAPH, we use the GOCCOPRO. It's a really nice extra machine. We only print maybe on tote bags or big paper bags, or we use it for varnish or puff ink or things like that. But in the last project we did with puff ink, it was like on very thick cardboard, like 700 grams, so you can never do it on RISOGRAPH. Now we promote ourselves more as special printing, knowing much more about paper and also about pre-press and how you make it into something special, and that is now our specialty. One point or so, maybe, what was it, 10 years ago, we saw the GOCCOPRO. So we thought, oh, this is like the digital version of the print GOCCO, which is, of course it's not, but that's how we found out about the GOCCOPRO.
I don't do silkscreen, I never learned it. But with GOCCOPRO it's very easy and I can do it very fast.
The 100 is perfect because everything is A3, so the ME screen is maybe too small. It's also nice for workshops where we do different kinds of workshops. So sometimes we do the print GOCCO workshop, and then an ME screen would be easier than to take the 100. But of course, the 100 you can still put in the car and take with you.
Develop, yeah, stay into contact with artists.